Hi dear students, now we are going to see about the effect of material properties on design. So the subject in the subject design for manufacturing. So we are concentrating on the what are the important things we are going to consider for manufacturing, because manufacturing is a process where components, it is from raw material to finished product. It is we are making into different stages with the help of primary process, manufacturing process, secondary manufacturing, and final processes. So when we are going for the process, first we have to select the materials. Okay, the materials, if we select the proper materials, and the materials will help in the manufacturing process. So how, what are the properties? What do you mean by a property? Property is the characteristics. Okay, so materials, we know there are several materials out there. We know plastics, we know wood, glasses, ever silver, that is stainless steel, we can call it as the thing. These are all the things which maximum components are made of, right? So the cast iron pieces, now what for any automobile industry, if you see, the vehicles are made up of number of components, and any products which are coming out of the factory, it's an assembly of different products. Each and every part, the part is a different material. Okay, so and the material is needed for the according to the application we are selecting. For insulation, we have to select some different material. Okay, for automobile components, we are selecting the engine part. If you select the engine part, the material is of cast iron, and the lathe bed, it's different, and the tools, HSS tools. So whatever the product or manufactured in the company is have a different, we are making into different material with the help of different materials, and the materials have a specific characters. Even glass, if you take a glass, it's a transparency in nature, and if you have plastics, that is not having the transparency. Like different materials properties will affect in the production process. So normally we have a properties, mechanical properties, electrical properties, chemical properties, physical properties are there in the materials. Okay, whether it may be metal, non-metal, alloys, all are considered as the material for the production. So each material will have their own properties. Like the given properties, you can see strength, stiffness, toughness, hardness. Okay, and fatigue resistance, high temperature, withstanding to high temperature condition, hostile environments, wear resistance. These are all some properties. If we see the what is the effect of the material properties on design, suppose if we have machinability, these are all the important properties which affects during the material processing. So machinability means what? It is the ability of the product or the material to make machine. Okay, ability of the, if the material is not having much machinability, it is not able to undergo any mechanical processes. Okay, so machinability and hardness, if you have more hardness, then the machining tool will get easily wear, right? And the process is having difficulty in completing in time, and the tool will wear more number of tools to be replaced, all the problems will come. And the ductility is a process which it is helpful for making wires. Okay, thin wire, ductility is a process of making into thin wires. We cannot have any material for making a wire. You have to choose a material which is having this property, then only we can go for the process. And this is it should have the properties, should have may have normally resistance. It will have resistance means what? It is the opposing force for it is giving for the machinability process. It may be heat resistance, thermal resistance, or chemical resistance, or electrical resistance. These are the some properties of the materials. Okay, so according to that, frictional resistance, if there is more frictional resistance, if the material machining capacity will be affected. Okay, so it will affect the product manufacturing. And chemical reactivity, suppose if any process undergoes with chemical reactions, and if it goes corrosion, wearness, and all the things comes now, then the product finally it will be affected through because of rust, and so many chemical changes will occur in the material, which will yield a bad result. So here we can see some effect of the materials. What are the materials and the properties according to that? The probable and effect of the decrease in the machine factor, material factor. Suppose in case strength, okay, here in the material factors are given strength or hardness, ductility. So this if happens, what will happen here? It will affect the machinability and finishability and the tool life. So hardness and ductility, hardening, heat efficiency, conductivity, chemical stability, reactivity, all are it gives its own effects in the machinability, finishability, and it finally it goes either improves or reduces the tool life. The tool is also a costlier one, and we have to change the tools frequently. So if the cost of the product will be increases more if we are going for more process. Okay, the treatment and all these are all the material properties which affects their machinability and finishing to life properties. So here for examples we say some machinability. Okay, so machinability will make easy for the chip removal. If machinability is more, then the removal of the material will be more. If machinability is less, we cannot machine the component easily. So machinability is needed for good machinability is needed for making the component, and tensile strength of the hardness or simplest, but it is guide for the machinabilities. And the temperature, some hard temperature strength materials are difficult to manufacture, and the ductility seems it helps on machining. Inadequate ductility causes so many damages on the edges. Okay, so next this frictional resistance is needed. Frictional resistance is less, means it can manufacture the component. We can manufacture the component easily. If the frictional resistance are more, then removing the material will be difficult. So we have to use some fluids or coolants during that time. Use of cutting fluids we have to use normally to avoid the heats and the easier removal of material. But that also it may affect if there is any chemical problem with the material, chemical resistance or chemical erosion property. If it is there, it may lead to other problem also. So that is also we have to consider. And the heat conductivity during temperature, that is manufacturing process time, how the heat is getting dissipated, or is there any material which is not dissipating the heat soon. There is also a problem in material elongation, and the specification dimensions changes due to heat also will be there. Chemical reactivity of certain metals with the process also will take place when the coolant or oil or some other chemical processing it goes on. So that will affect the product, and these are all the effects of the properties of materials while doing the design for the consideration of the manufacturing. So while designing a manufacturable process, we have to consider the material and the material characters, the properties is the main things. Right, in the next video we will see about the effect of manufacturing process on design. So let me see in the next video.